How's it going, everyone? I want to make a quick video on one of the bigger cap stocks that I've been watching, and that is CrowdStrike. I've been looking at this one for a while, and the minute this thing has started to make an uptrend, you could see like it's been bouncing on this blue line just consistently. So what I try to look for, and if you guys are in the Discord, you can see I alerted this play yesterday. You go to the swing trade alerts, and you can access this all. But you can see I was in CrowdStrike at 340.93. And the reason why is because price was headed towards this blue band. And if you look at the history of it, that is a very crucial area where the algos look to take it up. So we go back to the chart now, and look what happened here. We got in at 340, and it just went right up here. And you can look at I mean, this is a bigger cap stock, so obviously if you want to make the most money, options are going to be your best. But from this low here is a 2% gain. And I think this can keep going up. I think this can make a new high. If you look at, it's hard to see it now, like, oh, I don't think this can. But, well, if you look at it, look what happened to price here. We had this big down move due to this news release, right? Big down move. And then price started to come up. Well, we were in a downtrend, right? We were in a downtrend, then price goes up here, and it kind of has a little rejection here, and that's usually what happens here. Price tries to penetrate this, has a rejection, and it goes down some. Yeah, nice little gain here. And what I like to do is, if you were going to short this would be a nice area to short it, right? And just have a trail stop where if it just because the price goes with you for a 2% gain, and then price goes back up. But the minute you start seeing a candle go above it, that's when it's getting a little bad for the shorts, right? And then you start to see this EMA 20 to become the bottom line. That's what you want to see. But the minute price comes below it, then you get out. So what I'm looking for is the opposite of this. I want to see a nice clear down. I don't want to see something like this where it's zigzagging on the EMAs. Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. You can clearly see there's not really any big momentum up and to one way to make it really nice. So when the EMAs are tight like this, they're predicting to make a big move one way or the other, and that was this big move here. Price comes back up over the EMA 20, and you can see right here we start to make, okay, the bands are spread apart. So then when price comes back down, this is where you get your entry to make a long position right here. And you might ask, well, what is your stop loss? Well, your stop loss is going to be quite under this EMA 20. Not really a percentage point, but what I like to do is to see, well, if it goes like, for me in this example, if it goes below like 4%, then I would look to get out of this trade. So you're risking 4% to potentially make newer highs. And look at this. I mean, from here to here, it's a 17%. From here to the very high, you're looking at 37% return. And so that's the risk versus reward. You're getting max, R&Rs here. So we hit this, we go up. And then we come back to this EMA 20, right? We hit this, we go up. And then we hit this, go up, and it keeps bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. And this is what I saw on this trade here. We made this, we're hitting this upper band. You might ask, well, what is that? What is that? Well, that's a sell zone. Price looks to hit this, and then it usually reverts back to the mean. So the 5, 10, and the 20 are your reversions to the mean. So I hope this is all making sense. So why am I bullish on CrowdStrike? It's because we have a nice uptrend here. Look at the EMAs. They're very spread apart. You have the 5, the 10, and the 20. We hit this 10, we go up, and then we finally hit this 20, and you can see the past results here. We hit the 20 up, hit the 20 up, and this, in my opinion, is a much more stronger trend because we got very close to this red band. And if you do, this tells you it's a very strong trend. So that's my thesis on this. This is what I'm looking to do. I think we make a new high. I'm in this trade. As you can see, I'm in CrowdStrike at 340.93. I'm trailing to stop it, so I cannot lose on this trade. Literally cannot lose. So minute I'm up, quite some gain on this, I'm going to keep writing it up. So it's just what it is. I played some other trades that I made nice, good money. So CrowdStrike is a very nice one. I think this is one of the, it's a bigger cap, so it's not just going to just go plummeting down unless they have very bad news like this. So you got to realize, but look what happened though when it started plummeting down. You would have got stopped out the minute these candles went below this EMA 20. This candle right here is signaling a downtrend, because why? When you see this candle here, you start seeing the EMA 20 on the very top. So that means you should not be in a long position. So right here we had this massive, uptrend. We hit this. Yes, you would have recovered. Personally, if I see a candle go this far below, you will look to break even the minute it comes back up. But either way, you're risking 4% to make new highs, and that's really what this trade is. And the minute I have, a nice position, I can't lose on it because I'm trailing stop it. So let me guys know what you guys think. I think this is extremely bullish. We can look at the weekly candle, and you can see the chart here. I think, we had this big move down, and now we have this all-time high that we can barely easily break. So that's our next crucial level here. We had this top here, go down, and then we had this all-time high. So right now, we're on the weekly touch too. We can look at the weekly. It's going to transform to a daily EMA 20. The weekly is on the EMA 5, and that right there is acting as support. And what I like about this the most is the weekly EMA 20 just now, touched this. So we have no reason to, swiftly hit this 20. We just now left this EMA. So we can have a nice big trend here where, we have just continuously and then finally coming back to this 20. And that's what I would see for a longer term on Crowdstrike. So this is very bullish. If you guys do want to join the Discord and get these alerts, get these entries, I look for plays just like this. I found INOD and I alerted this one and made very nice returns. You can see too, same scenario. We had this big uptrend. We come back to the EMA 20 and we start bouncing. And that's what you want to see, guys, for these bigger cap stocks. And that's how you would like to play them. So this is a swing trading strategy that trades with the trend. All right, so if you guys want to join the Discord, hit the link down below in the YouTube comments below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll be in the description. You can't miss it. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. And if you want to join, just hit Day Trade Alerts, and that will take you right to the membership. Day and Swing Trading Plus, your name will be in gold. It's only $12 a month. And with one of these alerts alone, we made hundreds of dollars. Obviously, if you did options, you're going to make bank doing this because Crowdstrike is a $350 strike or stock. So if you make options, you guys know about those. You make a lot more money. I did shares just because I'm a little more safer. I want to hold it more longer term and kind of trail and stop it without worrying about time decay. But yeah, if you hit this, you'll get access to all the memberships. But you can hit Server Shop. You can review it. I have 2 memberships. Swing Trading, if you just want swing trades. If you want both, which I recommend, Day Trades is my favorite. The Day and Swing Trading Plus is $12 a month. And all these subscriptions will be unlocked. And you'll be a part of a community. And you can see all the members in here that are in gold have the highest membership. And the ones in green just have swing trading. So I hope you guys like this video. I just want to do a quick video on one of the highest, the bigger cap stocks that if there's not much setups presenting, look for the pullbacks on these really high quality stocks and where you can see a move go up from here. So I'll be watching this. Obviously, you can do something like this where you see right here, we touch the EMA 20. We have this nice big move up here, and then we come back down, and that's totally fine, right? But at least you would lock in your gains if it does decide to go down. Strengthen now. So I'll be alerting the Discord when I look to exit. I'll be alerting the Discord when I look to see more trades like this to where you can constantly rinse and repeat these crucial areas of uptrend continuation. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys like the video, give a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.